This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a few locals have reported seeing a weird creature flying around the area, looking suspicious. It was reported to look like some sort of massive insect that was looking for something. If you happen to see the creature, please contact local law enforcement. Stay tuned for further updates. At around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, some of the locals have been reported missing in the Illinois area. Witnesses said that they saw a very large creature, looking like a mutant moth, taking people away. A few witnesses said that they heard a sound coming from this moth. It sounded like it said, "I need a lamp. Provide me a lamp." Okay, since you don't have a lamp, I'm taking you away. This moth can travel across the country in just a matter of minutes. So the best thing you can do is seek shelter immediately. And leave all lights, electronics, and other items that use light off at all times, as this might attract the moth. Stay tuned for further updates. This is not a warning, this is a real-life emergency situation. The moth has now killed hundreds of citizens, all across the country. The moth keeps saying how he needs a lamp, and that he cannot find a light source. A local had spotted him, and took a picture. Look out for this dangerous creature now on your screen.